Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to check out this video. I am Chanel K. Alexandria, and today I will be showing you guys how I went about making this very beautiful selfie photo frame. I almost forgot the name of it. So now I'm not going to tell you step by step how I went about doing it. This is just a short video to just let you guys in on a couple of tips of how I went about making this. But you can go to chanelkalex.wordpress.com to check out every step-by-step detail there. I will be posting that vlog right after this video. So now, also, I wanted to let you guys know that I've already posted pictures of this on my Twitter and on my Instagram at Chanel K. Alex. So, let's get started, you guys. Let me show you how everything went. You guys, I'm so excited about this video. And, well, not only just the video, but this craft project in general, because my best friend came to me and told me that, my sister, she's having a birthday party and she wants to have this kind of like frame thing. So she had a picture of it that she found on Google, and it looks absolutely nothing like this. But how the one that she found was like writing on the frame. And what I did was I said I want a different kind of flair. I want it to be 3D. I want it to look really good, like, really put some time into it, because I've never really had any of my crafts in like an event or a party or anything like that. So I really put my heart into this, and I really hope that you guys like it, and I hope that you like the vlog as well. So okay. So here's what the photo frame looked like, and it says happy birthday Keisha, February the 9th, 2018. And I am missing two H's. That's the H here and the H for her name, and that is because I ran out of letters. Not more or less ran out of letters. I just didn't have any more H's. So I'm snowed in right now in North Carolina. So until all the snow dies down a little bit and we can get all the roads clean, I'll be going out to get some more letters for her. But my deadline is February the 5th, so I still have time to go and get it. The snow should be gone by then if it don't snow again. But I will get out there and get it. And shout out to Sarah from Michael's Store on Twitter for um saying that she was waiting on my craft. I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, you want to see it? Here it is. But shout out to her, and shout out to everybody on Twitter that supported me while going through this like craft, I guess, journey, I guess to say. So you guys, let me give you some tips or whatever. So here we go. So first off, the flowers are 3D. They're sitting out. Um, get a X-Acto knife or a box cutter to cut out your middle part. And here's the middle part right here. And keep that part because you can always use that for another different craft. So I'm going to get this out the way. So the background, as you can see, is very beautiful. It's very elegant, and I wanted to make sure all the lines was together and nothing would be peeling off or anything. So what I did was I just overlapped the duct tape just a little bit. I did get two of these, so the top part and the sides took one whole row, and then have a little bit of a second row. So if you do the craft the way that I've done it, make sure that you get two rows. But my back is still white. But if you want to do the back part, get four rows just to be safe, okay? Now, also what you will need is a glue gun and some glue sticks. And what I did was I took the scissors and I punched holes in the areas where I wanted the flowers to be. First, I sized it out to see where I wanted the flowers to be, and I just took it from there. And what I did was I took one of the petals and or flower heads, whatever you want to call it, and I glued around it, and I stuck it inside the hole. I also put some glue around here as well, so that one of my nails is broke, you guys. I'm sorry. So that way it'll stick really good to the boards. Now, speaking of boards, get three boards. I got two. Two is sturdy, but for me, I don't think it's sturdy enough. So make sure you get three boards. And when you're doing the tape, kind of cup it over just a little bit. Let me turn this around so you guys can see. Kind of like cup it around just a little bit, so that way it'll stick and it'll stay down. And as you can see, there's like little holes here from when I did the flowers. So that's why I said get 3 boards, so that way that last board can be where your flower will end at and sit on. um Also, if you want to do the back, that would be great if you did the back. I freehand all of this, and I just was very creative with it, and I just went with the flow. So it was thought out, but not clearly thought out until I was like in the process. So it wasn't like something that I planned. So I just took it from off the top of my head. Um, but all in all, it came out great and it's beautiful and I love it. Okay, so you guys, let me continue on with the process. Um, I bought 4 fake flower beds, or whatever you want to call it, and it only took 3. So this is like one whole one, and this is the third right here, and the fourth one I still have all of these. I'm just gonna use these for a different craft. Um, Also, these are the letters I had purchased, and they are Man Bee stickers, and it's 8 sheets in here made by me and my big ideas. And as I said, get 2 packs of these. If if you want to put a whole bunch of whatever you want to put on here, just make sure you get more than one, please. Me and my best friend thought that 1 pack would be enough, but I tried to tell him, I said, let's stay in here and let me, write down all the letters that I need. But he was like, well, la la la, we'll just come back and get another one. Then it snowed. And now I'm without my letters. But it's okay, you guys. Like I said, I'm going to go out and get some more. But, yeah, you guys, that's about it. This is how the craft turned out. And I'm really, really excited about it, like I said before. I really hope that you guys like it. And as I said before, go to Chanel K. Alex .wordpress.com if you want to see all the photos of the step-by-step process. I took pictures of everything that I did so that way you guys can recreate your own selfie photo frame. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that as well. See you in the next one. Bye.